Hi everyone, my name is Ana Gutierrez and today I'm going to be talking about Ibogaine. So, the miracle and the menace. Imagine a drug that not only combats addiction but also comes from a sacred African plant. Yet this miracle drug has deadly potential. Meet Ibogaine. So the purpose of this is to educate about Ibogaine, its effects on the digestive system, and its cultural and medical significance. History. So the origin is derived from the Taberninth iboga plant native to Central Africa. Its cultural use traditionally is used in Bwiti spiritual rituals in Gabon for healing and initiation ceremonies. The psychoactive properties of ibogaine were first recognized in the Western world in the 1960s when scientists began to study its potential therapeutic effects. Over time, ibogaine gained attention as a treatment for opioid addiction, as it was found to reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. However, its potential for abuse also became evident, and the drug was eventually classified as a substance of concern due to its psychoactive and addictive effects. Mechanism of action. Although ibogaine's physiological effects are complicated and not entirely understood, it is known to mainly affect the neurotransmitter systems in the brain. It also affects the glutamate system, modulating NMDA receptors. But you may be asking, what is the glutamate system? Glutamate is the most abundant excitatory neurotransmitter released by nerve cells in your brain. It plays a major role in learning and memory. For your brain to function properly, glutamate needs to be present in the right concentration and at the right time. Too much glutamate is associated with such diseases as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and Huntington's disease. So, clinical manifestations. When taking ibogaine can lead a wide range of clinical manifestations across various body systems. Here I will quickly mention all the systems it affects and some common symptoms of each. So we have neurological effects because it alters sensory perception, intense visual and auditory hallucinations, and out-of-body experiences. Then we have gastrointestinal effects, which cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, which are the common side effects. For respiratory systems, while not focusing on respiratory systems, ibogaine can cause shallow breathing and respiratory depression in some cases, particularly at high doses. Focused effects, and we're going to emphasize on the impact on the digestive system. First of all, the digestive system is responsible for breaking down food into nutrients, absorbing these nutrients, and eliminating waste. It involves organs like the stomach, the intestines, the liver, the pancreas, and the gut microbiota, as well as the enteric nervous system, which is sometimes referred as a second brain. So, the unique impact on the digestive system is due to the interaction with gut motility and enzymatic activity. As mentioned before, ibogaine's interaction with the gut often triggers nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, which are among the most common side effects. This is due to the impact on the gut's motility and sensitivity. The prolonged use of ibogaine can alter the gut microbiota, affecting nutrient absorption and gut health. Chronic gastrointestinal symptoms can also lead to dehydration or malnutrition if not addressed properly. Ibogaine is metabolized in the liver by the enzymes CYP2D6, and its metabolic neurobogaine can accumulate to toxic levels, leading to liver damage or failure. This makes Ibogaine particularly dangerous for individuals with pre-existing liver conditions. Now, talking about the DEA schedule of Ibogaine, in the United States, Ibogaine is classified as Schedule 1 controlled substance, meaning it is considered to have high potential for abuse and not accepted medical use. Some fun facts about this drug is that Ibogaine is sometimes referred to as the African root, highlighting its traditional use among indigenous African cultures. The psychedelic effects of Ibogaine has led to comparisons with other powerful hallucinogens, such as ayahuasca and mushrooms. To conclude, Ibogaine is a fascinating yet dangerous drug with deep cultural roots and incredibly therapeutic potential. While it targets addiction, its severe effects on the digestive system and overall risk remind us of the need for careful research and regulations. Thank you, and I hope you like this PSA about Ibogaine.